level, at the national level, I'm grateful. We had very serious challenges in the country. Many of them as a result of decisions we have made. They're man-made challenges, some of them.
Yeah.
But the country has continued hurtling from one challenge to another challenge. That we are here and looking forward to a new year, we thank the Lord.
Yeah.
And alongside those challenges, of course, we've learned a lot. We lost a lot of people this year, including critical role players in our society, like former Prime Minister Raila Odinga.
Yeah.
Cyrus Jirongo was buried yesterday. We lost many citizens in all manner of circumstances, others in road accidents, others in criminal circumstances that have not been effectively investigated and conclusively settled, and others in even painful circumstances that are related to formal structures of government, where all these things, cause worry and concern. But in spite of all that, we thank God that we are safe and sound, and that the public and all of us are interested now in seeking a better tomorrow, a better day, and so on. Because